This 42-inch OLED has me torn. Hey guys, how's it going? Justin here from Waltz, and today we're taking a look at the OLED-C2, but not the regular C2, the 42-inch version, which is pretty much been tossed up as a monitor or a TV, and nobody can agree on it. So I'm going to give you my honest thoughts. Now, if you haven't already, you should check out our full review on the 77 version of the C2. And in that, we kind of dive into the details of exactly what the TV is. But this video specifically, we're going to focus just on the 42-inch and how it works as a desktop monitor. So to do this, I had to take it home. I had to set it up in my current setup as is and give you my honest thoughts. So we'll start with just basic use for work and setting it up. So when you take it out of the box, this is kind of the normal process I always follow to make sure that the screens don't bend. So you put it on the box with some foam in there if you can, but mainly keeping that screen protector on, and then you can assemble the feet, flip it back over, and you're ready to go. Now, as far as office productivity, this monitor is 4K, and unfortunately for me, I was only able to get it into 60 hertz, and I'll explain why in just a second, but no 120 for the gaming side of things, but 60 hertz is more than enough for your normal office tasks. Give you some context, my desk is about, I'd say 24 inches deep, I think, probably. And I would say that I had this probably 15 or 16 inches from, where kind of I sit, at least for, I guess, my chest. Didn't really think about it too much, but kind of just to give you an idea, that's about how far I was, a little bit more than a foot away, maybe 2 feet at most. I feel like if I was able to push it back just a little bit, it would have been the perfect viewing angle. But for me, it was a little too close just because I didn't want to tear down my whole setup. I just pushed back my monitors because, quite honestly, it took me forever to get my gaming setup to look the way it does. So just pushed it back. If I was sitting a couple inches back, I think it would look a lot better. Probably around 18 to 24 inches would be, the sweet spot. But yeah, 4K 60, I mean, it looked amazing. Moving on to the gaming, I wasn't able to get 120 hertz. Not due to the LG, but due to my computer. For some reason, I couldn't figure out why G-Sync wasn't showing up in my NVIDIA panel, and every time I tried to put it in deep color mode and get the 4K 120, my computer would just not read. It would just give no signal to the TV, so kind of a bummer there, but I know it's my computer's fault, so I'm not going to blame it too much on the C2. However, for gaming, I did have a PS5 to plug in and try that way, and let me tell you, it was amazing. I've actually never gamed on 120 hertz consoles. I've only had the older Xboxes, but I was really surprised at how smooth it was. And not only smooth, the color, the accuracy, everything about it was just an amazing experience. And I think as far as, who this TV would be best for is someone who's going to have a shared system per se. So maybe you have it plugged into your main computer as like your main desktop monitor, but then you also have a console plugged in on the side for your gaming so that it's dedicated, it's different, you don't have to mess with the settings. I think that's probably the best use, but for me, it was just amazing to see that color pop in all those video games that I've never seen before with my older, low color 240 hertz monitor from Dell. So this monitor overall was awesome, and I definitely integrate it into my setup. I do want to wait to upgrade because, as you guys saw at CES, there's that crazy new flexing OLED gaming monitor, 240 hertz from LG. I want to see kind of where that comes in on the price point, but other than that, this TV exceeded my expectations as a desktop / gaming monitor. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and as always, let me know what you think down in the comment section. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys so much for making it to the end of the video. If this is a product that you're interested, make sure to email me at youtube@waltz so I can get you a special YouTube discount. If you haven't already, subscribe for more videos like these, and we'll see you in the next one.